Imagine a world where learning isn't confined to a classroom, where education blends seamlessly with adventure. What if you could master a new language while soaking up the sun on a beautiful beach, surrounded by the people you love most? This isn't just a dream. It's the future of learning. And it's happening right now. Think about it. Your family, together on a stunning coastline, not just making memories, but also expanding your minds. Instead of old, dusty textbooks, you're using sleek, modern devices. A tap, a swipe, and a new world of language opens up. Here, we're learning isiZulu, a language rich with culture and history, right from our tablets. The sound of the waves becomes the soundtrack to our lessons, and the warm sand is our classroom floor. This is more than just a vacation. It's a journey of discovery. We walk along the shore, practicing pronunciation, with laughter echoing as we try new words. The golden sunset paints the sky as we gather under palm trees, easily scrolling through our next lesson. It's about connecting with each other, with a new culture, and with a more modern, flexible way of learning. From a balcony overlooking a sparkling city and an endless ocean, we see the possibilities. Learning a new language like isiZulu doesn't have to be a chore. It can be an inspiring, shared experience that brings your family closer. It's about integrating growth into every moment of your life, turning leisure into a launchpad for new skills. So, why wait? The world is your classroom. Your next family trip could be the start of an incredible educational adventure. Embrace the technology, embrace the journey, and discover how learning can be as breathtaking as the view from the top. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration on blending travel with learning.